Hi guys, just a follow up on EuroCAD. From the post that I sent last week, I stated that the EuroCAD will go up, and guess what? It was right at the bottom at that time. It was right at the bottom, and guess what? EuroCAD is up and I'm in profit. I'm just doing a follow up on that, so I'll be showing you the chart shortly. Alright guys, so this is what I said last week. I want to take the trade simply because it has gone in. Let me I think it's best if I go on the 1 hour chart so you can see clearly. So I want to take the trade. Because and this is now on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. If you look at the 1 hour chart, let me just spread it a bit. So this was wave 2, and I said it will go all the way up to wave 3. Wave 3 is still far away. I think it's going to reach there though. So this is where we are at the moment. It's actually it's going accordingly at the moment. It's going accordingly at the moment. So let's look at the technicals. Let me go to EuroCAD. Okay, I am on EuroCAD. Looks as if we have just broken. Okay, you see the price was stalling a bit here, but it looks as if we have broken the 4 hour resistance. It's broken, and now we are heading towards this area here. Not sure whether you can see it properly. Let me pull it down so you can see. Yeah, we're heading for this area here. This is actually a daily resistance, so we might stall a bit here. So I hope it's just gonna go through it, because if you look at it, it also stopped here, and you look, yeah, it also stopped. It failed to penetrate it, came down for a support, and then it went up again. So hopefully we're going to break through this region here. You're gonna break through this region here. If I see any signs of the price actually going back a bit, I'm gonna take my profit. But right now, let's just wait and see. Hopefully, I'm hopeful that it's going to reach this part here, which is 1.522820, and that is the weekly resistance. I hope it reaches this price here.